Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Catalyst Hub. I am back with yet another video. The detailed notification and the relevant links are provided in the description box. Do check out if interested. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon below and share this video with your colleagues and friends seeking out for job opportunities. I daily post videos of opportunities available. So without any further ado, let's get started. The notification for the current recruitment is from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Sonipat. It is in Sonipat, Haryana. So let's know a bit about Triple IT. It is fondly known as Triple IT Sonipat. Triple IT Sonipat is one of the Indian Institutes of Information Technology located at Sonipat, Haryana. The academic session of Triple IT Sonipat started from its mentor, Indian National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra. From year 2014, Triple IT Sonipat is a joint venture of the MHRD and the government of Haryana with industries in public-private partnership model and has been declared as the Institute of National Importance. So it is a premier institute. You should not miss out the notification provided for the job opportunities now. So let's have a look at what all recruitment opportunities are available for the teaching position. So I have provided the link. This will direct you to this page. Recruitment notice for teaching positions. The date published was 19th and the last date was to be around today, but the dates have been extended to 9th of June. So you have next 10 days to think about it and accordingly apply. So Triple IT Institute is established under the, as I told you, public-private partnership scheme by Ministry of Education now, Government of India, in an institution of national importance under the provision of Indian Institute of Information Technology Public-Private Partnership Act 2017. Currently, the institute is offering undergraduate programs in computer science and engineering and information technology. Masters and research program are proposed to be introduced in upcoming academic session. Shortly, the institute will be shifting to its state-of-the-art permanent campus proposed to be developed at 50 acres of land at village Kilorad near Sonipat and Sonipat district. And the institute is looking for dedicated, committed and research-oriented Indian nationals to fill up the following vacancies through direct recruitment, four-tier flexible system in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Department of Information Technology. So as the notification says, I will discuss the complete process, how you should approach towards this direct recruitment. The name of the post is Assistant Professor for CSE and IT, Grade 2 level, level 10. Vacancies are 9, out of which 6 for UR, unreserved, 2 for OBC and 1 for SC category. The total salary includes pay in the pay level, transport allowance, DRN's allowance, HRA accommodation and NPS employers contribution as per Government of India rules from time to time. The applicable pay structure as per 7th CPC shall be as under Assistant Professor Grade 2, pay level 10, and scale as per 7th CPC 57,700 to 98,200, as you would have seen in the thumbnail. So there is no such clickbait thing happening in my videos. For further details regarding, you can submit the application to the post of Assistant Professor Electronics in Department and for Assistant Professor in Basic Science Department. There is no such changes. It was only in the dates. So the qualifications for the experienced and selection of faculty position are as under. For Assistant Professor in CSE, IT and ECE Department, the qualification is PhD. You have to have it with first class at BTech or MTech level. No such experience is demanded. Desirable requirements would be 2 research papers published or accepted in any of the journals covered under any one of the following major citation indexes of Web of Science or Master Journal list, etc. and assistant professor in humanities and mathematics department. You should have to have a PhD in relevant discipline, maths or humanities with first class at BSc or BA level or MSc or MA level. No such experience is required. And again, ongoing research products should be there, patent granted, recipient of prestigious awards and fellowship, NEPTEL or SWAM activities में participation, experience of industry collaboration. And for the faculty position in CSE, IT and ECE, candidates not having bachelor's degree in engineering or technology are not eligible to apply. So sorry to say this. Area of specialization subjects should be, computer science and engineering and information technology. In that, all areas in computer science and engineering and information technology with specialization in software engineering, database and web technologies, computational intelligence, software testing and technology, and computer networks. Electronics and communication engineering, all areas in electronics and engineering with specialization in signal and image processing, adaptive signal processing, wireless mobile communications, analog and digital circuits. Mathematics and humanities, in humanities, English, linguistics, and in maths, numerical methods, discrete mathematics, differential equation, and stats. The expectation from the faculty is the development of IIIT Sonipat as a brand and cutting edge. It should be edge. Research related to information technology and allied fields, development of corpus funds for the institute through design, testing or research consultancies, establishment of development of undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD research laboratories for academic research and consultancy activities, development of IPR with institution affiliation, achievements of high standards of excellence in academic research and industry collaborative endeavors, buildings for strong institute industry collaboration, achievement of highest level of prescribed standard required for global competitiveness and outcome based education. So these are the this general information instructions is for the form. I'll show it to you. And the fees for applying is for the candidates within India, general, OBC or EWS category, 1,000 rupees. Candidates from within India, SC, ST or PWD, 500 rupees. And candidates from outside India, all categories, rupees 1,000. It can be paid through both the ways and it is non-refundable. The kind of documents, you will find it in the notification I will provide. So let's move to the form. This is what the form looks like. Application form for a faculty date. The advertisement number is given in the previous PDF. You can copy down and write the date you are filling this, your photograph, demand draft and all the details, personal details, your educational qualification of post-graduation, doctoral degree, all the details of it, details of your teaching experience, details of your industry experience, details of experience in R&D, summary of experience as filled by the applicant, though they do not ask any such experience, but if you have, then in what and in what sense do you have it. Details of postdoctoral work, details of establishment of new labs, details of theory courses taught in semesters where total credit exceeds 6 in current position, last promotion date, year of service over, details of experiment or any project for any e-learning package, use of e-learning in classroom and lab course teaching for last 10 years, paper published or indexed by and the points claimed, paper presented in national or international conferences, details of PhD students guided for thesis submitted and awarded both, details of MTech, patents and copyright, books, monograph, all the detailed notification with detailed resume has to be uploaded. So only the most serious candidates who really want a good salary and a stable career should apply to IIIT Sonipat. I haven't seen such detailed form in a while from good universities as well. Expecting this from coming from a state university is excellent and appreciable. So people who are interested should definitely apply. It is a very golden opportunity. You are getting a new institute to establish yourself and show your caliber, to broaden your horizon. So with this, I end the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video if you like it, and you can comment down if you have any such doubt regarding any topic, or if you want to suggest me any topic for future video, you can. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Keep learning, stay curious. Goodbye.